Hello, gorgeous. If you're an entrepreneur or have a business like mine and want to know how personal branding can affect and enhance your success, then give me a like and subscribe because this channel is for you. My name is Christi Schreiber, Credibility Christi. I am a mom, an entrepreneur, and an expert in what? Incredible dressing and image. I have been coaching thousands of on-camera talent, news personalities all over the country for 20 plus years, and my videos are going to show you my inside tips, tricks, and best practices to look your best and most credible for business situations. I'm also going to talk to experts in their field and learn about their specialty, their trade, and what makes them successful as well. If this sounds fun and interesting to you, then give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and put in my comments what industry you're in. And if you have any specific image questions, I'd love to answer those for you in a future video. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.